if I'm hitting play here, you can see, it's hard to hear it on this, but you can see it right here that there's a lot of background noise, whether it be from like computer or hums in the rooms, that kind of stuff. In order to remove that, first thing you want to do is you want to sample the area where the noise is coming from. So I'm just going to click and drag over in order to get a noise sample of that section. You don't want any areas where there's talking or any of that kind of stuff. You want to just that background noise. Go to Effect, go to Noise Removal Repair, Noise Reduction, and we're at step 1 here, so we've already selected it, and we're going to click Get Noise Profile. Now what I want to do is I want to do a Control A, so that way it's selecting the whole audio clip. I'm going to jump back to Effect, and I'm going to go to that same option. Now we're at step 2, so you can adjust some of the sensitivity and that kind of stuff on there, play around with it, but in my case I'm just going to leave it to the default for the purpose of this tutorial. And you do have a preview option, as you can see, but I'm going to hit OK. It'll take a bit to process. Now that that's done processing, let's have a listen. And as you can see, it's not nearly, before it was kind of jumping up to here, there was quite a bit more to it, so it's reduced a lot of that level, and that's where those adjustments come in. You got to be careful with it, because depending on how you play with it, it might adjust the sound of like the person speaking, or if you've got music and stuff like that, so you can play around with it a little bit. And it also isn't going to reduce any like clicks or anything like that. You'll still need to reduce those, or you'll still need to edit those separately, but that's the basics of how to reduce that background noise.